Hello everyone, this is Abdul Sattar, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to make sign up form in ASP.NET using 3-tier. So first you open your Visual Studio. I already opened Visual Studio and create a project my ASP form. So first we create a table in database. I use SQL Server Management Studio 2008. So create database MyDB. In my database under we create a table. Click the table and new table. Give ID and name, varchar, password, varchar, gender, varchar and gender. After gender, email, varchar and city, phone number, unknown, hint, and at the end address varchar. So this is table name and data type varchar, password varchar, and gender also, email and city, phone number, hint, address varchar. So id make primary key and also auto incremented. So this way, click yes, name, password, gender, email, city, phone number and address. So this make username, password, gender, email, city, phone number. This is attribute in a table. So save this table, name my users, okay. So then we create a store procedure, click new store procedure, create procedure users. So user name, varchar 50 and password varchar also 50 character. So password. Gender, varchar, and email, varchar 50 character max length, email, city, varchar 50 and city, phone number, hint, after address varchar. So 50 has begun user into my users, username, password, gender, email, email, after that city, phone number and address. Values, username, password, gender, email, city, phone number, city and phone number and address, and semicolon. So this is username, password, gender, email, city, phone number, address. As we can insert into my user table, this my user username, password, gender, email, city. We match these values: username, password, gender, email, city, phone number and address. So let's we execute. So this is successfully created stored procedure name as ins user. So open Visual Studio and add libraries, data access layer and data access layer. So this is data access layer and class. By default class 1 created, rename mydal class, mydal, username mydal, yes, and also add business logic layer, same way, business logic layer, change the class name, my business logic layer, BLL, enter, yes. So then we add presentation layer, web form as considered presentation layer. So give the web form name index. So this is our table and we require label and for username, password and email this. So let's enter table, closing and ending tag, tr and td, label and for text box. So this is our 7 rows, 2 and 3 4 5 6 and 7. So we make 7 rows. Design. So this we can drag and drop label, button, label and also text box this. So we draw first label, this, password, gender, email ID, this, phone number and address, text box first. So you can easily drag and drop. You can also make customize through coding. So this is a easy and quick way. So This is username, password, gender, email ID, city, phone number, address, and this for button. So we can also add reset button, click HTML, and this reset drag, and also one button for sign up, this click and reset. This is reset JavaScript function. When the user click the reset, reset the all text boxes. This used for if anything wrongly done by user, so they can easily reset the form. DLL and BLL. So this data access layer. So we make method in data access layer. Public void users. You can give any name as you are required. So just we give at this time insert user string username string password string gender string email string city string int phone number, and finally string address. So we make SQL connection. We add two libraries for SQL connection using system.data using system.data.sql client SQL connection, SQL connection. Yes. SQL command. So this put store procedure we make in a database name this. So copy and paste. So this users. Command type dot store procedure this. Com dot parameters add parameter dot add with value value, password, parameter dot table value, the rate, gender, com dot parameter dot edit value, add with value, gender, email, parameter, add with value, city, phone no, and last is parameter dot add with value, and last is address. So you enter all in same way. Yes, so this connection open, execute num query, dot close. So this is method we create in data access layer class MyDAL. Two class libraries used for database connectivity. This we create a method insert user, string username and password, gender, email, city, phone number, address. So in this we enter our user and password, gender, email, city and city. So phone number and also address. Connection open, com dot execute and query, connection close. So we same use in business logic layer. So this we add library data access layer using first we add reference, so data access layer, okay, this add reference, and also in presentation layer click data access layer and business logic layer, so click OK. So we add successfully reference, so this using data access layer. So we make same method in business logic layer. So copy and paste that user. So make class object MyDAL new MyDAL. So DA dot users username, password, gender, email, city, convert to int, name, number, and finally address. And in presentation layer, using system.data, using system.data.sql client for database connectivity, using data access layer, SSL library, using business logic layer. So we add reference, we make object my business layer BA, new, so this way. Call method, text. So now we change text box name, this, textbox 1 dot text, textbox 2 dot text, textbox 3, and so on 4. Finally 7. So this one we remove. Print message response, dot write, use script, tag, closing and ending tag, alert dialog box, you are successfully signed up. So code behind this button: to class library for database connectivity and data access layer and business logic layer. So this is our presentation layer and my business logic layer under the class, and we create a method, same name method in data access layer, this, and make connection string, tool, connect to database. So this one, server name and connect to database, modify connection. So this is my server name and Slack database name. Okay, right click, properties, copy and paste here, this. Let's change the text on label. First label, username, password, gender, email, city, phone number and address. So also change text on button, reset, sign up, plus yes. So let's see, finally this is our store procedure. Create store procedure. In user store procedure name, username and password, gender, email, city, phone number, address. As beacon insert into user. My user is table in my database. My DB is my database, and that create table my user. This my user table, username, password, gender, email, city, phone number, address. This is attribute of table. ID auto increment, setup primary key. So let's see, this is our presentation layer. This way, this is our presentation layer, this, and this is business logic layer, in which my BLL is class, and data access layer my DAL. So first we create a method in data access layer class, insert user, and same name method used in business logic layer. And this we use two class library for database connectivity, data access layer, business. So you can index view in a browser. So this is our sign up form, username, password, gender, email, city, phone number and address that you can reset if something user wrongly done. So first we check reset button, reset, enter username Peter Parker mail peter@gmail.com USA. This address USA. Washington. Click sign up button. So you are successfully signed up. Click OK, and then we check in and database. Right click, and this way we can see. So this is working. ID and name Peter Parker, mail, email and city USA, phone number and address Washington. So we encrypt password. So this way, text mode, password, and also email, and give heading my sign up form, control plus test, and view in browser. John kids John password. So you can reset if something you can wrongly done. So we can reset this reset button. John kids John mail john@yahoo.com USA, New Washington. Click sign up. You are successfully signed up. Okay, and let us see in database. So this is our Sanker record. John kids password, John mail, John email ID, USA, from and phone number, and also in address. So this is our sign up form. You can also use CSS to make look a user good interface. Thank you for your attention. If you have any suggestion and query, let it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and take care.